What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Tiana. Whoa, and I am back with another video. So this is a hair tutorial on how I did these passion twists with a little crisscross in the front. Yeah, try to make it quick. Little commentary. I know I haven't been here in a while. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here and holding it down with me, thank you, because I know girl been missing. But I'm gonna get right back. I'm gonna get into the video. So peace, love, and happiness. So I'm gonna be using this gel. I actually really don't like this gel, but it has a strong hold. It kind of just turns white. I just put oil on it to make it better. But yeah, I actually left my hair dry too, because wet, my bad, not dry, but wet, because I usually, when I do these twists, I normally always have like spray or something to just help with twists, like twist it. So there's just no point on blow drying my hair. And this is just perfect for people who don't want to blow dry their hair. Very confident about my part. So first things first, half and half. Okay? Just in case you're curious. Okay, so I have finished all the front part. So now I'm just gonna do the back, and I'm just gonna show you a couple because why show you so many, you know? So comments, just kidding. Great way to get through these if you're doing it by yourself. Definitely listen to the Dream Girls soundtrack, because I'm stepping to the bad side. Gonna take me right. Curtis, you're supposed to love me. That's what I'm in here doing. So there you go. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to do back. You're gonna have the hair like this. So I kind of just take it off. I got this hair from Amazon. Link will be in the description. You know, you're gonna hold it like that. So I'm gonna go. Don't mind my part, obviously. I can't see for it to be perfect. So I hooked the hair on, hooked it on there, flipped it over, go like that. Then you're gonna grab it when it comes through. You're going to take this and the hair, and you're going to pull it through, and you're gonna pull the knot like that. Then you're gonna tighten your actual hair, and then you're gonna split it into two. So it should already be split. You're gonna split your hair into two, and then you're gonna twist the hair. So you're gonna twist, push the other one, twist, push the other one, twist. So you're twisting and twisting all the way down. Whew. So, and I took 3 strands because even though you're going tight, it's still gonna kind of like loosen up. But if you want them to be bigger, which I'll find out in a second, how big I want them to be. Yeah, like I probably want this to be bigger. But yeah, all you do is twist, twist, twist down. Like it's giving jumbo passion twist vibe. So I have 4 braids done. I messed one up because I twisted it the wrong way, but I just don't feel like redoing it. So yeah, so this is what happens when you twist it the wrong way. It kind of looks a little funky, but we like a little funky. So cheers to that. That kitchen, you know what I'm saying? Get your kitchen together. If you don't have a kitchen, I don't know what it is. You get your bedroom, bathroom, whatever you call this part. Get you a rubber band. I usually take 2 rubber bands for sure, just in case it pops, whatever. Do it like that. I don't know what I've been told. But so-and-so is making me cold. So this is what it comes on. This is what it looks like, just in case you were curious. All right. So they're all 4. Make sure they're kind of even at the bottom. Doesn't really matter because kind of like the tapered end is good. Like I said, you're going to have the hook unlocked. Boom. Unlock it. Put your finger on this thing. Place it down. Then you're going to take it. Oh, shoot. Sorry. You're going to take it underneath here. Right? Take it underneath that. Then you're going to hook the hair on. Then you're going to close the hook. You're going to pull the hair through. You're going to grab it off the hook. You're off the hook. Then you're going to open it up. You're going to take your hair and the crochet hair and you're going to pull it through and boom, just like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to, so it's kind of already parted, because you already, you know, it comes split. So then you're going to split your hair in 2, right? Then you're going to twist, and you want to twist kind of tight at the top. So I'm like boom, like that. Okay, you got it. Boom, and you're gonna go all the way down. If you feel like your hair is like, you know, needs a little more grip, you can just take some more like hair gel or whatever and just put some on your fingers and then like glide it down kind of, and it'll definitely help, especially like if it's the end of your hair, like there's no more of your hair that you're twisting. Boom, and that's it. And I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I'm gonna come back because I'm singing Dream Girls and y'all know that. Some of them, like I have like a few that look like a little ooh, sheesh, sorry, look, this is the reality of things, right? So when it goes like this, what I do is I just cut it like that. Just cut it off. Some of them, they look like, you know, like this looks like this, and then like this one looks like this. I kind of like it like that. That's just more so because I twisted it the wrong way. Because you'll see that it kind of twists with the hair. So, but it kind of just gives it a little bit more edge. So I definitely wanted to say that. I don't know, like this gel is actually not too, it's not white today. I will say it's like giving like gray, like ashy. Like, and that's why I say I be putting oil on it. But I actually have argan oil mousse that I'll put on like in a second. All right, y'all. So I'm getting towards the end, as you can see. And y'all, like, okay, so I realized that like when they're close, it kind of like ruins the pattern. But it actually made it work for these ones. But I wanted these to, like the front ones to be seen. So I'm actually making another like connection to the one that would be like an individual. So I'm gonna do that like that. So like technically, so I have 1, 2, 3, right? But then I made 1, 2, and I actually snuck this one like actually like underneath like my hair in that one. So yeah, bear with me. I feel like my camera is dirty. I'm so sorry. Let me clean you up. Hey, darling. Looks a little clearer, yeah. Okay, yeah. See how I get what I'm saying? And I made sure it's like close to the line because I want the braid to still fall high. Like I don't want it too far back. So, but I do want it to be visible enough to where you can see that I did like the crossing. Because I feel like if I would have put it right here, it just wouldn't have looked as cute as I wanted it to look. All right, y'all, I'm officially on my last one. Let me fix y'all up. I'm officially on my last one. I know I'm almost done. I'm officially on my last one. And I gotta hurry up, cause y'all don't know, but I got a man now, honey. Oh, I got a man. I got a man. The man is mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. I got a boyfriend and his is mine. Oh, honey. Yes. Oh my God. I gotta figure out. Let me just show y'all. Boom. Cute. So cute. Love it. Oh my gosh. It's like right there. Oh, it's so cute. I'm about to put some mousse on it one second. This is the argan oil that I'm using, which is like a Style and Shine foaming mousse. All right, cool. Lost my words. Duh. So I'm gonna use this. Remember I said it kind of looks like ashy a little bit? So this is what I'm using on this part. And I will say one thing I love about this brand of their products, the Cream of Nature, they smell so good. So I'm just putting that, and now it has like a little bit more shine to it. It's giving. It's very much giving. So I'm taking my booty out. Got a little booty, but I got a little gut right now, so it's all good. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get rid of it though. Just show you, cause some of your ends might be a little raggedy. So you literally can just like take scissors and trim them. Just like for little straight hairs or whatever. Honey, what? Hey, how you doing? Hey, it's me, T. So, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video because I'm gonna get it together.